how to add background in Figma frames. First, open up any web browser on your computer. Once open, navigate to your Figma file that you'd like to work on. In your Figma file, let's begin by getting the desktop frame. This will be the foundational backdrop for our design. Once you have the desktop frame, you're all set to start customizing. Look to the right side menu and find the Fill section. This is where we'll make our background adjustments. In the Fill section, click on the color box, usually a white box. This will open up the settings pop-up. Here, you'll have the option to change the frame's background color. If you're interested in adding an image background instead, locate the image icon at the top of this menu. Click on it to proceed. Select Upload from Computer and choose your desired image background from your files. Once your image is uploaded, you can meticulously customize how it fits within the frame. Check out the drop-down menu here. You'll have options like Fill, Fit, Crop, and Tile. These settings dictate how your image interacts with the frame. I want to take a moment to emphasize the Crop option. With Crop, you can move and adjust the image inside the frame freely. Drag the image to align it as desired across any corner. Notice that if you drag the image's corner, it might stretch. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard to keep the proportions intact while resizing. Once you're satisfied with the image's placement, click outside the frame to save your settings.